guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Hope everybody is doing well po. And anyway guys, for my today's vlog, I just wanted to share to you a quick recipe of mine when it comes to turon or a banana lumpia. Yeah. So I have here the ingredients. The ripe banana. And then of course the wrapper, the lumpia wrapper, yeah. And then the brown sugar. You can also use a white sugar, but for me I prefer the brown one, yeah. And later we'll be using water and oil, yeah. Okay, so please stay tuned and hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick recipe of mine, okay? Hello po, welcome back. It's me again, Jeanette's Lifestyle. So ayan po, umpisahan na natin kung paano gawin itong simpleng merienda na tinatawag po nating turon or banana lumpia. So ito po, may wrap na po ako dito. And then, ito pong saging ay yung isa po kasi mahaba, so I slice it into 2 halves, and then yung halves po na yun, I sliced it again, okay? So ito po muna, this is ripe, and then ididip lang po natin siya sa sugar. Ayan. Tapos, irarap lang po natin siya. There you go. I-fold po natin ang both sides. Ayan. Tapos, ganyan lang po siya. Okay? Tapos, ito po, gagamitan natin ng tubig. Ayan. Para po dumikit. Ayan. Sa dulo, yan. Ganyan lang po siya. Kasimple. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. So, ganyan po siya. Ayan. O, diba? Napaka-simple lang po at mabilis gawin. Ayan. Ulitin lang po natin kung paano po natin ginawa yung una. Ganun din po sa huli hanggang sa matapos po. Yeah. Ganyan po. Fold ng both sides. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, water ulit para dumikit po sa dulo. Ayan. So, ganun lang po kasimple, yan. At kadali. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan po. O, sealed na siya. Yes? Ayan. So, ulitin lang po natin hanggang sa matapos po itong ingredients natin. Okay? Thanks for watching and please stay tuned once again. There you go. Welcome back. And this is my last lumpia to wrap. Yeah. And later on, I'll show you how I fried it with the caramelized sugar outside, yeah, after frying. Okay, so there you go, my finish. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so it's ready to deep fry. Yes, okay, make sure the oil is more, yeah, because this one needs to be deep fry. Okay, so please stay tuned and thanks for tuning in. Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back. Now mainit na po ang mantika na gagamitin po natin para po i-deep fry itong banana lumpia, okay? Or turon, okay? So, there you go. So, umpisahan na po natin. Ayan po. Dapat po mainit ang mantika, yeah? There you go. Ipa-fry po natin sila on both sides. Ayan po. So, ganyan lang po siya kasimple. Yeah? There you go. So, yung ginawa ko po ay for 12 pieces. So, ito po ang first batch and my second batch po na for frying ulit, yeah? So, there you go. Ipa-fry lang po natin sila until it's light brown, yeah? And then, habang pina-fry ko po siya mamaya is lalagyan ko po siya ng natirang asukal, yeah? So, para po mag-caramelize on both sides, okay? Thanks for tuning in. Please stay tuned. Welcome back po. So, there you go. We'll check. Ayan, nag-uumpisa na po siyang mag-light brown. There you go. Ayan po. This one as well. So, babalik ta rin lang po natin. Yeah? Ayan po. Okay, welcome back. Ayan po. It's time for me to add the leftover sugar, okay? Para po mag-caramelize sila on both sides. Ayan. Ganyan lang po siya. Kadali. Manonotice nyo po mamaya caramelize na po siya on both sides. Ayan. Lalagay nyo lang po itong natira, yan. Okay. Ganyan lang po siya kasimple. At, check lang po natin. Ayan. Ayan po, welcome back. Let's check. Ayan. As you can see, nag-uumpisa na po siyang mag-caramelize. Ayan. Yeah. There you go. Ayan po. So, light brown na po sila. So, it means ready na po silang hanguin. Yan. Isa-isa. Okay. So, ayan po. Nilalagay ko po siya sa kitchen roll, okay? Para po yung mantika ay ma-drain. Ayan. O, diba? And later po, ito transfer ko siya sa serving bowl. Okay? Ayan. Yes. Ayan po. So, this is my first batch. Okay? So, ganun din po uli ang gagawin ko sa second batch. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganun lang po siya ka-simple gawin or lutuin. Ito po ay napaka-famous na sa aming bansa. Bilang snacks. Lalo na po sa hapon. Yes, so ito po ay makikita sa mostly sa streets, yeah, na tinitinda, something like that. Yes, so the same process lang po. I-deep fry po siya ng light brown and then until mag-caramelize, yeah. And pwede na pong hanguin. So, I'll show you later, guys, if how I serve it in a serving plate, okay? Please stay tuned and thanks for watching. So, hello guys, it's me again. This is already my finished product, which is the banana lumpia or Turon, yeah, which is famous in our country, Philippines. And of course, this is loved by everybody when it comes to snacks, yeah. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed watching and learned a new recipe again for my today's vlog. And if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And click also the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come, okay? Once again, stay safe. Thanks for watching and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and God bless everyone. Love you guys.